To enroll in Zelle. Start by checking if your bank or credit union offers Zelle. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using the lookup tool to find participating banks and credit unions. If your bank or credit union is listed, you can proceed with the enrollment process. Next, go to your bank or credit union's website or mobile banking app and look for the Zelle enrollment option. This is usually found in the transfer or payment section. Click on the option to enroll in Zelle and follow the prompts to enter your email address or mobile phone number. You will then receive a verification code sent to your email or mobile phone. Enter this code to verify your account and continue with the enrollment process. You will be asked to create a profile, which includes providing your name and address, as well as linking a bank account or debit card to your Zelle profile. Once your profile is complete, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, simply enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number and the amount you want to send. The recipient will receive a notification and can then accept the payment. It is essential to note that you must have a bank account or debit card to use Zelle, and you must be at least 18 years old to enroll. Additionally, be aware of the potential fees associated with using Zelle, as some banks or credit unions may charge a small fee for transactions. To get the most out of Zelle, make sure to only send money to people you trust, and never send money to someone you do not know. Also, be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your Zelle account, as this can put your account information at risk. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely enroll in Zelle and start sending and receiving money with ease. Remember to always review your account activity regularly and contact your bank or credit union if you have any questions or concerns about using Zelle.